Get some of the curves and the close-up on the metallic as the sun shines through. This color looks so great at this level, meaning it's so different to look at versus on our bigger CX-90 Mazda. You can see this speck of light hit those metallic flakes. Looks gorgeous. So we're here doing a pre-delivery inspection for our second 35th anniversary 2025 MX-5 at Mazda of Crystal Lake. Let's take a closer look and get this prepared for delivery. So first things first, on the MX-5, I like to check these door edges, make sure that they were cared for nicely through cleaning process. All looks like it should. All looks good. Check the door sill. Make sure there's no visual noise, no scuffs or anything like that. Check my mirror, looking at it, looks okay. I love how this exterior color comes into the cabin of the MX-5 and then plays such a nice contrast. You have the detailed stitching, so special. A little bit of a water spot here. Door jamb, no scuffs. Now you might not be able to see it, but we talked about this panel color coming on the interior. You even have it special on the vents. So each vent is color keyed all the way to the passenger side. Looks really good. The view from far away on the top just looks tan, but if you get close enough to it, you actually see some color texture with some red in there. The top is to emulate cork and the look of cork, and now that's heritage to Mazda because that was their first product that they ever produced. Was they were a cork manufacturer. So very, very cool. If you think about adding any accessories, first one I would go for is the red MX-5 cap for the oil. So my team here cleaning the car took it upon themselves to laminate the owner's MSRP, which is very nice. Keepsake. So if you're unable to tell by the striking color combo that it's a 35th anniversary edition, you'll also see it on the panel here. This is number 1271. You'll see it on the floor mats, 35th anniversary driver and passenger. And then it's also embossed on the headrests. So if we take a look at the passenger seat in a different light, you'll see that embossing a little bit more clear. Alright, so finishing touches put on our second delivery of the 35th anniversary. We had one go already. Alright, presentation and setup, pre-delivery inspection completed, and we are ready to welcome our new owner to the Mazda Miata family. Congratulations, James, on your new MX-5. Look forward to seeing you during ownership and talking shop with you about this wonderful automobile. Guinness Book of World Records for most roadsters sold, and more Mazdas are raced on any given weekend than any other car on the planet. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, safe travels, and congratulations to our new 35th anniversary MX-5 owners. Congratulations, Jim.